Hey, in this video, I learn you how to open your University of Lahore SIS account. If your SIS account is not open in your simple browser, click on three dots and select New Exeter window. Type SIS UOL. Press enter. First one is selected. Type your username and password. Domain name UOL. OK. Click on OK. Now internet is slow. Wait. You can check that account is open. Like, subscribe and share my video. Thanks for watching.